Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone! Thanks for joining me here again at Daily Doodles. And today I'm going to show you how to draw one of the new Pokemon. I'm going to show you how to draw Floragato. So hopefully I said that name right. Floragato. Alright, so let's get started. Let's start with the eyes. I'm going to do a slanted line. And then we're going to do a U shape. And then we can do another U shape inside, then little circle and a line, and color that little, well, a thick line, color that one in black. Also folks, I apologize if you can hear the wind outside my window. It's really windy here today. All right, so now we can give a little bit of space and do the other eye. So we got that slanted line. And we're going to do a shape like this, curve, and come on up. And this one is bigger because of the way that he is facing us. So now let's do the inside of the eye. So very, very similar to what we did on the other side. And we're going to do a little circle right here. And then come on down and color that spot in dark. I'm going to thicken up this line and right here. Now we can do like a little itty bitty nose. And I'm going to do a little mouth. So it's kind of a wavy line for the mouth. Next, we can come on up here on the side of the face. And over here, we can do a little line right here. So right here, we're gonna come in underneath the eye and connect it to the mouth. Now over here, we're gonna go under the eye and come on up. Like that. And we can do a line above the eye and connect it to that line. Over on this side of the face, we can do a little line. Now we can come on up to a point and then come on down. And then come on up to another point and then come on down. Meet up with that line. So now right here, we can do a little curl. And we've got like kind of like a chunk of fur here for the cheek. And we're gonna do another one, only it's pointing downward instead of upward. Like that. And over here, we can do the same. Curve on up. And curve on down. And now we'll do the bottom part of the face. Okay. So next, up above here, up above these 2 points, we can do the top of the head, a little line like that. And we can do a point right here. And bring this line downward to meet up with this side of the face. And then we can do a line right here at the top of the ear. And over here we can do another shape like that for another ear. Bring it on down and match up with this side of the face. And do a line here for the top of the ear. All right, so we're done the head. Next, let's do a little circle right here. And I'm gonna have almost like little, what kind of shape is this? It kind of reminds me of like little itty bitty flower petals. and we're kind of doing them in the shape of this circle. Next we can do the chest. So we're going to start here from the neck, kind of a rounded, bit of a rounded shape here, and then we're coming on down, and then we're coming outward to a bit of a curl, and the bottom of that curl. Then we'll do another one, and then we're going to do another one here on the bottom, and then come on up. Oh, I apologize if you can hear my dogs in the background barking. So right here under this circle, we'll come on down, and we're going to do these two little bits, but on this side. Okay, and now right here, we're going to do a line up that way and a line up this way, and we're going to make a point. All right, next let's do a line right here, and then bring that down, kind of curve here. We're doing a little bit of like a thigh and a knee, and then we can bring this line down, and we're going to do a foot. So we can do like 1, 2, 3 little toes here. Bring this line up, and then we're going to do a little line right here, and then bring a line, kind of a curved one right here, and bring that down, and then we can do like 1, 2, 3 more little toes, and then bring this line up, and then we're gonna round out right here and kind of bring this line up, and you can see that it's getting closer and closer inward, and bringing it right up here to that little circle flower thing we did. Okay, so we need to do some arms. So we'll start with the one on this side. We'll bring a line down, and now we've got like a little, kind of like a leaf situation. So another one of these shapes, and we're going to do another one going in the opposite direction, and then we can bring this line back towards the body, and now we can do, we're going to do like a thumb. So we've got a shape like this, and then we'll do a little triangle for like a claw, and we'll do another one, another claw, and another little finger and another claw. Now over here we need another arm. Okay, so bring down that line, and another one. You can see my line is getting kind of wider. It's almost like the sleeve of a shirt. And then we've got that leaf shape, and then we're going to do another one, and over here we'll do another one, and we're going to do another 3 fingers and little claw, another little finger situation with a claw, and one more kind of in behind. All right, so there we go. Now we're almost done. Right here on the back, we're going to do a little bump, and over here, coming on up, we'll do another little one and another little line. All right, so now down here, we're going to do a point and another one right here. Okay, so now we are finished. So I'm going to get started on the coloring. All right, we are finished our drawing. Thank you very much for drawing with me today. Hope you have a wonderful day and hope to see you back here for our next doodle. All right, have a great day. Goodbye.